Depending on the type of case, there's some different types of advice. In a family case, probably the most important is to get off social media. One of the biggest problems that I've found is that clients that are going through a family dispute, be it a divorce, a modification, perhaps even facing termination of parental rights, a lot of times they are very, very anxious and looking for support. Unfortunately, in our culture nowadays, people seem to reach out with social media, and most of the time the posts or the information that's being provided is not necessarily as private as one would expect or anticipate. And so their posts, sometimes done in the heat of the moment or when they're very, very emotional or upset, are then taken out of context and used against them. So I definitely encourage people to journal. I would just prefer that it would be done in the old-fashioned way with pen and ink as opposed to online. In the litigation context, when a client asks me what's the best thing they can do to help their case, what I like to tell them is just to conduct themselves as if the judge, the jury, the opposing counsel, and even myself are with them at all times. Just kind of watching what they do, hearing what they say, and participating in what they're doing. Because what we want to make sure is that when you're in a litigation context, that you conduct yourself in the most favorable way that you possibly can. A lot of times, very, very good people can put themselves in situations that can be taken out of context and used against them. And so what we try to do when we're in litigation is to make sure that our clients don't knowingly put themselves into a compromising position.